Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing well. On this video I will be showing you how to make a homemade apple puree for your little one. For this recipe you will need some royal gala apples, mainly because they are less acidic than other apples, which makes them a better option for baby food. After washing them, I do peel the apples. This will allow the puree to be nice and soft, which means any baby from the ages of 4 months going forward will be able to enjoy this puree. To steam my apples, I will be using this enamel bowl. However, if you do have a strainer, you can also use that. It works the same. I did add a little bit of water on my bowl just to allow the apples to cook through while they're steaming. And just like that, we are ready to cook. Once my apples are done cooking, I let them cool down for a moment before I start blending them together. Also on this stage, you can decide if you want your puree to be too soft or less. So the longer you blend, the softer it will be. The less you blend, the harder it will be. Depends on how your baby wants it served. And just like that, your apple puree is ready for your little one to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please press the like button and leave a comment below. Until next time, goodbye.